Okay, so the kettle LED died again, but I want to tell you the process in which we died, because it's something downright out of a Laura and Hardy movie. Well, this isn't one of those with a detachable base, so if I wanted to refill it, I would have to unplug it. So I don't unplug it. I just use a mug or a cup or something to get water from the sink and then pour it back in there. So what I did, I took this mug, filled it with water, and then with the lid on, I just poured water on top of it. And then I opened the lid after I poured water on it. It was okay for like a few seconds, and then the LED popped inside there, making a huge mess in the handle, and it's once again dead. This was... So yeah, I poured water on top of the kettle. That's actually quite an interesting... Well, I was gonna say to try and seal it, but you can see there's all these edges here and the button. It's kind of difficult to... It should have a rubber seal or something, and it's not really something I can do myself, but boy, this was funny. I was just sitting watching it boil the water, and then boom! There's a huge spark inside, and yeah, it's so it's dead once again. It's a good chance to put a green LED, because I have green LEDs as well. I was thinking about that after I put it in. I thought, well, why blue? Because the whole thing is green, and like a green LED would be more within the color theme of the kettle. So yeah, that just happened. So beware, when you want to pour water in the kettle, just open the lid and then pour the water inside. It doesn't work if you pour water on top of the lid, in case you didn't know.